Hello people and welcome back to Dahcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments captured on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a road rage between a biker and a drunk guy who approached him and wanted to pop a wheelie on his bike. Stay tuned for this one.
Oh no,
That's what I tell him.
Hey.
What's up? What's up, bro?
Nothing.
Where you going?
No. You want to see a wheelie?
No.
Well, then look like
Go
this.
do a wheelie somewhere else.
Look like this. That me? That me? Look like this. Why you think
Be careful, man.
Nah. Careful, strong.
Stay safe out there.
Careful.
Alright.
You go ahead and get your jigsaw on, man.
For sure, man.
But that back tire awful skinny. That back tire awful skinny.
Road driver changed lanes in front of the biker without indicating or looking at his mirrors, and that move pushed the biker off the road completely, and he wasn't pleased about it. Stay tuned to see how he dealt with the situation.
מה אני דופק? כי אתה עוד שנייה דפקת אותי לתוך הקיר. זה למה אני דופק בך. שמע, הכל מצולם פה, כפרה. תגיד שלום.
This truck driver casually parked in a bike lane, and when the cyclist was trying to pass by, he caught the driver red-handed, and it came to a heated road rage between the two.
You honestly parked in a circle line, lad, to go and get a pack of eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, fair play then. G021 2AF. Yep.
Through red lights, we'd actually sort what we're doing, you know.
I know through red light. What kind of excuse is that for you to park in a circle line? Solid white line, circle line. Yeah. Say that to your license.
Wow. That was special. Oh, hello.
This is why we always say that you have to check your mirrors before exiting your vehicle, especially if your door is facing the traffic. This driver learned his lesson the hard way, and he damaged his door as he got out of his car.
You alright, buddy? I caught that on camera if you want it for your insurance.
No. Let me just take some details.
Yeah, you two got it covered? You good? Yeah, sure. It's always worth stopping.
This truck driver was careless at the intersection here and he didn't maintain his lane position. He purposely cut another vehicle off from passing and made him stop, but the road rage didn't end there, because the driver who got cut off is about to follow him and do the exact same thing. Check it out.
To a part of the Indian Ocean where they were wiped out decades ago. Scientists have captured a year's worth of underwater audio recordings that reveal the world's largest animals are spending months in the tropical waters.
And you see all kinds of stuff over here. Look at the deer. Hey, you gotta be careful around here. Those are this ears too, they're really small. And you see by their tail, those are mule deer. They're not white-tailed.
You can't back out onto the road when there's a vehicle behind you approaching. Well, at least you are supposed to act like that. But this driver thinks he can do as he pleases.
Right? And then they're gonna expect to have the right of way. Well, no, you're not gonna get it. Now, what are you doing?
And with this clip, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something valuable out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. And if you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would really help us out a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.